Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia. Today we're making a great recipe, a fun fall recipe, which is pumpkin spice latte ice cream. And we're going to be highlighting one of our favorites here, which is the natural pumpkin pie spice water-soluble extract. And what this is going to have is kind of encapsulate all those fun fall flavors that we all love, which is like cinnamon, probably being one of the first things when you walk into a store in fall and you smell that cinnamon, allspice, cardamom, all the good stuff. And then we'll get that true pumpkin-y flavor from our pumpkin puree. So let's get started. So to start, we're going to put 2.5 cups of whole milk into our pot. And 1 cup of heavy cream. And 3/4 cup of sugar. All right, so we're gonna just cook this on low to medium heat for a few minutes to let the sugar dissolve and let it warm up. I believe this is pretty much the basic base of any ice cream that you make. And then you get to, make it a custard, make it your own flavor. So again, low to medium heat. We don't want to boil this. We don't want it bubbling over. Warm it up, get it steamed up. So once you see a little bit of steam coming off of the pot and you'll start to see a few little bubbles around the edge, that means that it's ready. The sugar has dissolved. So you can just turn off your heat and you can pour it into a separate bowl. So we can add our flavors. So now we're gonna add the flavor to our ice cream, and we are doing pumpkin spice latte. So we're gonna add our pumpkin puree. You can find pumpkin puree pretty much anywhere and usually at all times of the year. So it comes in a can, find it in the can section. So pumpkin puree. Pretty good for you too. And then we have 2 teaspoons of instant espresso because this is a latte. So we want to get a latte of that. There we go. We need every drop of that. And then again, we're gonna just be highlighting the natural pumpkin spice water-soluble extract from Amoretti. And we're gonna do 3 teaspoons of this to get that really great full fall flavor. This is just gonna be like biting into a pumpkin pie mixed with a latte. And 3. Really get that where it needs to be. And there we go. And we're just gonna mix this up. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this. It is just like incredible. All those fall smells that you expect to come around this time of year. But it's still gonna be refreshing because, it's still warm here in California. And that's why we're doing ice cream. So just keep stirring it up a little bit so you can dissolve all of the espresso and get the pumpkin evenly distributed. And now it's ready to cool down. So we're gonna cover it in some saran wrap and cool it down so that it can be ready to churn in our ice cream maker. So now we're going to churn our ice cream. So we have an ice cream machine here, and this will do all of the heavy lifting for us, but you can hand churn ice cream. It's a long process. You'll need some ice and salt. We're gonna use an ice cream machine today. So we have the bowl frozen. We're gonna pour our mix in here and then let it churn. Churn, baby, churn. I'm just gonna try and pour this in and make as little of a mess as possible. We did it. We're just gonna put the paddle in. And let her rip. And this is gonna churn, just let it do its thing. It's gonna churn for about 30 or 40 minutes so you can go wash the dishes or catch up on a good show. Come back to some really tasty ice cream. So our ice cream machine finished churning. we transferred the ice cream into one of these ice cream containers. They're really cool. You can actually pick these up on Amazon, and it's great if you make a big batch of ice cream so you don't have to eat it all in one sitting if you don't want to, but no promises. And so we're gonna go ahead and just assemble our ice cream latte. Oh, it's so nice when you scoop into fresh made ice cream. It's not like a big workout, you know, like the ones when you buy at the store for a birthday party and you have to sit there and really work with it. This just comes out so nicely. And we're gonna do this right. Again, we want a mountain of whipped cream. It's only right. And a sprinkle of cinnamon, just to remind everyone what season it is, what we're doing here. And there you go. You have your pumpkin spice latte ice cream. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. This one was really so fun to make. I really enjoyed it and I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and like it. You can also subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell. You'll get all the notifications when a new recipe comes up. We are doing so many fun recipes for fall. It's gonna be great. You can also find us on social media. We are at Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Amoretti. Have a good one. Let this power your imagination. Bye.